Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, the place to discover practical and powerful software. Today, I'm introducing CapCut, a video editor developed by ByteDance, available on mobile, web, and desktop. It offers multi-layer editing, trending effects, and exports up to 4K, all without requiring a subscription. CapCut brings together all the tools you need to edit, add subtitles, animate text, and apply effects. Whether you're creating for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube, it's perfectly suited for content creators who want fast and effective results. From the moment you open it, you'll find a clear dashboard where your projects are organized. The interface allows you to combine multiple video, audio, text, and image tracks. Animations can be adjusted with keyframes, making it easy to create zooms, movements, or synchronized effects. One of CapCut's standout features is its AI-powered tools. You can automatically remove the background from a scene, no green screen needed, and replace it with a video, color, or visual effect. Subtitles can be generated in multiple languages, with customizable fonts and styles, enhancing accessibility and engagement on social media. The text-to-speech function converts written text into realistic voiceovers, available in various accents and languages without the need for recording. CapCut also analyzes the rhythm of your music to automatically sync your clips, speeding up the editing process. The effects library includes retro filters, cinematic transitions, and smart color corrections. The tool stabilizes shaky footage, adjusts brightness and contrast, and removes flickering for a more professional finish. Another advantage is the automatic resizing for social media. You can adapt vertical content to horizontal or square formats without losing key elements. CapCut supports 4K exports at 60 frames per second, ideal for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Finally, the AI-assisted video scripting feature suggests a structure and automatic visuals based on a simple description, making production easier without a storyboard. You'll find the link to access CapCut below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to discover more useful software. See you soon.